Are you a client of someone who is a cuddle professional? If so, and you found us on Craigslist, guess what? You will no longer be able to find people like us on Craigslist. Craigslist has decided to no longer allow any kind of advertisements, therapeutic services in like the Platonic and Cuddling stuff, right? So they're taking them all the ads down. Now there's a new legislation that has just gone through that's called SESTA and FOSTA. The kids are talking. I got kids right there. And this legislation is there to help stop human trafficking, which again, I think all of us are supportive of, right? We want to stop the trafficking of human beings. And then of course those who have been swept into this legislation are those who do any kind of therapeutic one-on-one work, those of us who are actively like doing legit work, right? So I think that the industry now is, you're watching a movie, sorry if it's kind of loud. The industry is at a new place right now trying to figure out, Craigslist is off the list. If you're looking for a practitioner, massage, sex work, I guess, or cuddling, Craigslist will not be the place that you can find us any longer. And so it's time for us to kind of think of more creative ways to make us known to you that we're here for this, for you. So giving you a little update. Don't look for us on Craigslist. Let us know if you have any ideas. Where do you want to see us? Where should we be advertising? What would be a way in which we can find people like you? And all right. Love you all. Bye.